Life would have been hell if there were no take profit and stop loss orders. Honestly, take profit and stop loss orders are like a boon to all the traders. There is no need for the continuous staring at your charts to book profits. All you need to do is set a limit and you are done. Hey guys, welcome to this video. My name is Daksh and in this video, I will tell you how to set take profit and stop loss in Binance Futures account. Also, I'm going to give away a trick to set take profit and stop loss on your smartphone, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Now, for those who don't know what stop loss and take profit is, here is a brief of it. A take profit is an order in which the trader sets a limit order at a predetermined level, and when the trades are in profit and the price moves to that level, the trade automatically gets closed. Similarly, a stop loss is a limit order used to limit the loss. And in this, a trader sets a limit order at a predetermined level, and when the trade is in loss and moves to that level, the trade gets closed, restricting further losses. For example, imagine you entered a buy trade at this level, which is $1, and you think that the price may move to $1.20 and you need to book your profit at this level. So you cannot always keep looking at the chart, but you can set a take profit at $1.20, and when the price comes to this level, the trade will get closed in profit. Now imagine you entered a sell trade at this level, which is at $1, and you want to restrict the loss. For that, you can use a stop loss limit and set it wherever you want. So let us say you set a stop loss order at $1.20. That means you want to get out of the trade as soon as the trade hits $1.20, and you want to restrict the further loss. So when the price moves up to this level, your trade will automatically get closed with a loss if you set a stop loss order at this level. I hope you understood what stop loss and take profit is. Now let's see how to use it on the Binance trading platform. To set take profit and stop loss on the Binance desktop version, just go to your live position section. Now to the right, you have your take profit and stop loss section. Click over here. Now to set the take profit, enter the level at which you want to exit in profit over here. And to set stop loss, enter the level at which you want to exit in loss over here. And then click on confirm. The take profit and stop loss will be set, and those orders will be visible over here in the orders section. Now for those who want to use Binance on their smartphone, to set take profit and stop loss, go to the position section. Here click on take profit and stop loss, that is TP and SL. Now enter the take profit and stop loss and click on confirm. Your take profit and stop loss will be set. Always remember, while you set take profit and stop loss, always use mark price. After you set the take profit and stop loss, it will be visible over here in open orders, and you can modify or delete the order from here itself.